Hey sammiefam, look at this delicious mound of hearty pasta. Tip it forward for you guys and try not to pour it all over the place, but we got, I don't really know what these called, but they're kind of like rigatoni. I'm gonna call them rigatoni. I think it's something that starts with a G, but it doesn't matter. We got our tubi pasta with that. I see you. I see you. So tasty. And then on top we got this hearty sauce. It's hearty, but it's light and fresh because we focused on vegetables and then smoked beef sausage and smoked chicken sausage. It doesn't have a high amount of fat in it. We got tomatoes in here. You can tell. Look, it's red. We got red pepper. We got green pepper. We got yellow onion. And I put in some this arugula I needed to get rid of. And that kind of disappeared. And a lot of chopped up garlic and garlic powder. And of course, some ground up pepper. And this is just some romaine. Not romaine. What's the name of our cheese? There's Parmesan, there's Asiago, there's Romano. It's Romano cheese, not romaine. That's a type of lettuce. Okay, let's just dig in. This is gonna be messy. Oh no. So good and hot. I may have overloaded this plate a little bit. I really love the sweetness of the tomatoes. Oh, oops, I dropped one. Oh, I had a hair on it. Oh. That's what you get for eating things off the floor or out of your chair. But I like the sweetness of the tomatoes with the savoriness of all the vegetables. And letting this cook for a little while, everything blended together real nicely. You get that onion flavor in there. You get the peppers to release their flavors into the sauce. Back here. Start taking the edges and folding it in. So we get that sauce on every bit. This might seem too hearty for a summertime dish, and it's a little bit warm, but really since there's not much fat to it, it feels pretty good for a hot summer night. This is just what a big daddy needs to become a slightly more fit daddy. A nice healthy dinner, though there are a lot of carbs. This fork really sucks. I was a little bit worried that Sammy girl wouldn't like this because of the sausage, but I think she ended up really liking it. At least when I was cutting up the sausage, she came over and had some and enjoyed it, so it made me feel a little bit better about it. And I know the key was not to let it become oily because she didn't want to have anything greasy. Gotta listen to your woman. If she ain't happy, I ain't gonna be happy. Oh, so hearty. That sausage. Oh, I thought I dropped it, but I just dropped it on my plate. Getting nervous. And I like that the peppers still have just a little bit of crunch to them. This might actually be easier to eat from a bowl. Oh, your boy's getting full. Tired out. Come on. Oh my God. Okay, Sammy girl bet me I wasn't going to eat this whole plate, and I'm afraid she's right. But nothing wrong with having leftovers. Yeah, that's all I can do. If you like, it's traditional like spaghetti, tomato-based sauce, try something like this. It's a little bit heartier. It's got a lot of healthy, yummy vegetables in it, and that smoked sausage is just lovely. Both the chicken and the beef ones we tried were really, really good. Oh wow, it's just like settling down in my stomach and pushing up a lot of gas. Thanks for watching, guys.